Congress recently sent a bill to the president's desk aimed at helping tribal police protect women. Blake Allen was in Warm Springs today.
In Warm Springs, 58-year-old Tina Spino has been missing since July. Now, Warm Springs Tribal Police Chief Bill Elliott hopes the House's passing of Savanna's Act will help the investigation.
Anybody who goes missing from this reservation, and there's a report filed with the police department, it'll be investigated. I mean, we will always do the follow-up. It's like no person left. It is kind of the mantra that we want to set up here. The family has a right, no matter what the outcome is, whether the person just left because they wanted to or because of foul play, they still need to have some sort of resolution, and that's what we're here to provide. What this will do is this will help us in our investigations and our ability to track and find people.
The bill is to address what's called the epidemic of murdered and missing Native American women. Savanna's Act is named after Savanna LaFontaine Graywind, a 22-year-old pregnant woman from North Dakota killed back in 2017. Chief Elliott says it's helping shine a light on a critical issue.
Well, one, it's important because there's finally some national recognition that there is a problem on Indian country with people that go missing, and that there needs to be a kind of a focused approach to it.
The bill betters tribal access to some federal crime information databases, requires federal agencies to take recommendations from tribes on enhancing the safety of Native women, and requires statistics on missing and murdered Native women and recommendations on how to improve data collection to be included in an annual report to Congress. Two Oregon senators recently praised the move by the House. Senator Merkley said in a statement, murder rates for Native women are 10 times that of the national average. Joshua Capehart is a Warm Springs tribal detective sergeant with FBI Task Force. He also thinks the legislation will be beneficial.
It's very important, any help we can get. I know this has been an issue for many, many years, and there's a lot of people who are off-grid on reservations, people who prefer not to have contact unless necessary. But at times, if they don't have a voice and there's no one looking out for them or know they even exist, then to me that's a recipe for a disaster.
In Warm Springs, Blake Allen, News Channel 21.